Today, Aiden and I are going to show you his and Derek's brand new listing.
The Pacific Monarch.
This is a short-term rental studio with kitchenette.
Rooftop amenity deck. Now this.
Crazy. There's a Target in Waikiki now.
This is the surf report. Surf spots and amazing hole-in-the-wall restaurant stuffs.
And stay tuned because at the end we're gonna show you a little sleeper cell spot to get some musubi.
Let's go. Pacific Monarch because of the monarch butterfly.
Monarch butterfly. Hawaiian word of the day. We have not done one of these in a really long time. So do you remember?
Pulelehua.
Pulelehua. Good job. Butterfly. The lobby is cute and there's a little coffee stand right outside the lobby. Pro tip, get your lavender matcha latte right downstairs.
Oh.
Thank you. Was this like a 9.0?
Where's the amenity deck?
9.6.
9.6.
Yeah.
So it looks like the service elevator has a larger ceiling so you can get a big part in here.
That's why you waited for this elevator.
Yeah. 3 cycles.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Oh. You're
Freight
good.
elevator, higher ceiling, bigger board. You can probably get like a 8.0 and a normal, but we just saw a 9.6, a 9'6" board. Easily fit into the freight elevator, not angled, just straight up and down. So, I mean, you got a 10.0, that's easy. You can like crank that sucker to the side and probably get an 11.0 in here too.
That's like a kayaker.
All right, guys, let's check it out.
Let's go. So it's a studio with a little kitchenette, 1 full bathroom, pretty large living space, and something you don't usually get is a closet, especially with your hotels. Pretty decent sized balcony. Like the windows, they're thick.
I don't hear anything.
Little bit ocean views. You can see some surf going on.
Yeah, you can definitely do a surf check from this unit.
Our clients actually brought their surfboards and then just walked to the beach.
Is there surfboard storage, do you know? Or did they just put it on their...
No, they just had the surfboards.
Yeah, I mean, there's plenty of space.
As they rented it out, they started off with like 1 boogie board, like 1 set of snorkel.
Yeah.
And then each time they would come back, they would have another boogie board, another set of snorkels.
Yeah.
I like the color scheme.
I like the color scheme too, and correct me if I'm wrong, furnishings are negotiable.
Some people do,
want
some people
to
don't
have
want to.
the furnishings and some don't, so it's negotiable. I do like the setup that they have here with like a little lounge space, a designated dining area. The bed is a king size, so to give you guys kind of a concept of how large this unit is, it's big for a studio, plenty of space for storing your stuff, and then unlike most hotels that you're going to stay at, you actually have a little kitchenette that you can use the cooktop on. Mini fridge, 2 cooktops, full bathroom, and this is a short-term rental allowable.
They're actually Airbnb-ing it right now. There's another set of guests coming in tomorrow morning. Another guest just vacated last night. So the cleaners just came in. We wanted to shoot a video, get something done, and then we actually have showings booked for this unit right after us.
Oh yeah, awesome.
Yeah, but if you want to know the financials, you want to hear about, what could this rent for, what's your cash on cash return, all these sorts of metrics for investment properties, hit us up, www.courtinghawaii.com. Sign up in the link below. You fill out the contact form and ask for the financials for 1501, and then let's talk about this unit.
Who is the Pacific Monarch a fit for? If you are somebody potentially who comes to Hawaii frequently already and you blow through money to stay at resorts all the time, even though you know all the spots that you like, this could be something for you. You can occupy it some of the time and you can also make money on your investment by short-term renting it when you're not occupying it. Our limitations on short-term rentals have tightened up a lot in Hawaii, especially on Oahu, I should say, in Honolulu County. This unit, as well as this kind of area, is one of the rare locations where you are still allowed to use this as a short-term rental investment property. Not many places are able to do that on the island anymore. So if you're somebody who's looking to occupy part-time and then still be able to make some money when you're not occupying it without having the limitation of, okay, well, I have to rent it out for 6 months and now my ohana cannot enjoy it for that whole time, this would be something perfect for you.
If you living in the mainland, you're going to come back and you want a spot for yourself, you don't want to be in a hotel, and you want to have your spot, something like a short-term rental in Waikiki is something that you want to do. What can we see?
So I can see the backside of Diamond Head here. We have an easy little puka right through here where I can do my surf check, look at the ocean, see what the waves look like. Like the owners of this place have gotten into surfing, right? So boom, I wake up in the morning, I open my blinds, I look outside, get lines.
You don't even have to check the surf report. This is the surf report. You can even check from the bed. You can
That's true. I like things that are on this side by the more Kuhio side because we are very accessible to everything that Kalakaua Avenue has, but but we're just one step removed. So it's a little bit quieter, a little bit mellower. And then we have a lot of like hole in the wall shops on this side. Kalakaua Avenue is a lot of like mainstream luxury shopping, that type of thing. And then Kuhio Avenue and everything kind of like on the streets in between. You can get like the musubi shops. You can get like a little hole in the wall sushi spot. We're gonna put you on that game. We're gonna grab a musubi on our way out of here to show you. And we're more on the Diamond Head side of kind of this stretch of Kalakaua and Kuhio, which is nice because more of the things that you might want to just do day to day are all around you. Crazy. There's a Target in Waikiki now. So grocery shopping, things like that you can do easily at Target. But you also have like the zoo, Kapiolani Beach. You can exercise over here at the beach park. Easy spots you can get to are like Kapahulu. You want to hit the Tonkatsu Tamafuji. You want to go on Montserrat, grab some shave ice, Wailai, all kinds of things are right around here. You do not have to stay on Kalakaua and Kuhio. You can explore a little bit.
Oh, golf course. Let us lock up here and then we'll go shoot up and then we'll see everything that this building has to offer.
Okay. Monarch, I get it. I was like, why butterflies? The lounge
Little
space. Yeah. This is cute. There's a pool table, there's a big TV, there's a bunch of seating in here, so you have like a lounge space with chairs and couches, but then you also have tables and chairs with like a high top on that side to look out, and you can have Mauka views from the high top.
You can see Coco Head.
I'm here with my kids. We're in the studio. I have a consult I need to hit. This is a cute little area, perfect where you can get away and get some space. It's not uncommon for your short-term rental condotel style, small studio style, to not have the most space inside of your unit, right? The idea of coming here is that you're not spending all your time in the unit. However, if you need to work and if you need some place to decompress and have some space away from your ohana, this lounge offers that for sure. What kind of plant is this, Aiden?
I gotta say something snake.
Yes!
Is it?
It is!
I'm that guy.
Good job, Aiden.
What is it called?
Snake plant.
Snake plant.
It's literally called a snake plant. How did you
that.
guess that? Like just because it looked like a snake?
Yeah, it was like sharp.
My dog. That's not even one of the two plants I taught you. Ice machine.
Look at this. What did I say? Hacky sack?
You said hacky sack.
Is that not the...
No, it's cornhole. These bags are really light.
No excuses. You almost got that.
That was pretty good. Ah!
What?
Lucky these bags is light.
Chef up some steaks, pork belly.
Shrimps, kebabs.
Oh, shrimp kebabs.
Corn.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Nice diamond head views from up here. So your unit does have the regular stuff that you would want to have in your hotel, the microwave, the two-top cooktop. However, the facility has grills. So really you can cook whatever you want.
You know, when you're at an Airbnb, like you're not using the stove. You're gonna be using a cooktop at most. And if you're like gonna really go for it,
vacation cooking is grilling, right? Nice views from up here. So you are positioned a block Mauka of Kalakaua Avenue where the Duke statue is in Waikiki. You're like, okay, why does that matter to me? If you're somebody who wants to surf, they have those options here and you don't have to buy a surfboard. You can just walk down, rent a board, go surf for a couple hours and then come right back to your room. You can also, if you look out there right now, go on like a ocean adventure, meaning like an outrigger canoe, or you can rent a seat in the va'a. So there's like lots of cool stuff really, really close by where you can truly just leave with almost nothing. It's like you have a home base very close by to everything that you would need to have a full day at the beach.
you can leave your hotel or your Airbnb unit pretty much empty-handed and then come back empty-handed, but also experience the beach in its fullest.
This is kind of a nice spot because you are by the police station, so I'm not really worried about any kind of shenanigans.
Cool. You got like the spot for the kids, got the rock wall breaking up the waves, nice and calm spot, and then right next to it, people surfing for the first time.
It is truly like a wave for all. Days where it's like big on the outside break, and people are just like shredding and so good.
Yeah.
But there's also beginner waves on the inside. There's opportunity for you to get lessons. There's opportunity to have somebody help tow you, teach you. So whether you are trying surfing for the first time or you are a seasoned, experienced surfer from some other surf town, you can have a good time here.
Oh, and Blue Note, late night comedy, jazz, music, vibes, cocktails, super cool spot. It's just a short shoelace express away. I saw a Cirque du Soleil, is that how you say it?
Yeah, Cirque du Soleil. Yeah.
That one?
If you're familiar with Cirque shows, you're like, oh, there's a Cirque show in Hawaii? Yes. And it's like
Yeah.
Hawaii and hula influenced.
It was Kara's mom's birthday, and we all went to International Marketplace.
Yeah.
We had dinner and then walked over, and then we saw it.
How was it?
It was super cool. I've never been to one.
I love
So
Cirque
it's like-
shows. They're
yeah.
so good. My son just let me, Brooke just told me that he would want to see that.
Oh, really?
I was like, really? So now I have to wait or else he'll be mad at me. That's what's cool about Waikiki. Like,
There's always something.
there's always something to do. So even us, even local people, like we come to Waikiki to like catch the vibes. This building, this unit at Pacific Monarch is gonna make it real easy for you to get to any of those things. We are downstairs from the building of the unit that we were just in. Listed by Core Team Hawaii, coreteamhawaii.com, contact form if you want more info. But just to show you one cool thing that is super easy, let's go grab some musubi. Musubi Cafe.
No other explanation needed. Okay, top 3.
Salmon kombu.
Okay.
Ume is good. That's always a classic. Miso salmon.
1, 2, 3.
How do we feel about ume bonito? Like, well, let's see what they got. Is this a hair clip?
Number 78.
That's so funny. It's like soap. It's spam musubi soap. That is hilarious. Coconut oil and mango butter, but look at it's like got the nori on the outside. That's cute.
We guess what their most popular one. Spam, probably.
Salmon, tuna mayo, just basic, easy. I don't have food aversion. Bonito, anything.
Yeah. What are the odds? Yeah.
Hi, what's your most popular one?
For the spam or not? For the spam.
Just like a classic spam?
Classic
Teriyaki
classic.
spam, gotta be.
Salmon mayo and tuna mayo.
Tuna mayo, told you.
But if you like spicy, these two also available.
Bacon, egg, avocado, kenj. We got a shrimp tempura roll, that's mahe. Salmon mayo, Aiden. Fried chicken mayo, Kenji. Seaweed salmon, kombu, mahe. Ume bonito. Bonito's like tuna flakes. That is Aiden.
I'm ready to tabemasu, which is the Japanese word for eat.
Let's go.
Japanese word of the day.
Well, we're gonna head out and eat these musubis, but as always, if you got more questions about this unit at Pacific Monarch or any real estate needs that we can help you with, both here in Hawaii and elsewhere, go to coreteamhawaii.com, scroll to the bottom, fill out the contact form, and we'll give you a call.
Shoots.